Hey there, it's Lisa from Blue Moon Cycle here in Norcross, Georgia. It's a beautiful spring day, plenty of sun, but like many other people, we're pretty much sheltering in place almost at work, but we're here still working on motorcycles, and we thought we'd take you on a tour through the service department. So let's go on in, and we will have John take us on a little tour. Hey John.
Hey there.
You ready to give us a tour?
I am. This is our service office. Gentleman wants to bring a motorcycle in for repair.
Or lady.
Or lady. And these are kind of overflow bikes. Most of these are for sale. These are Blue Moon bikes, and there may be something here that we're still waiting for a little work before we put it up there for sale. But as you can see, a preponderance of BMWs. Check these out. This is a Victoria Bergmeister factory cutaway. Back there, a Horex factory cutaway. And over here, another Horex cutaway motor. I love the cutaways. Little Corgi, little paratrooper bike here. And BMWs, there's a little Ducati. Beautiful Heinrich tank. This bike's super low miles. 17, not so low, 17,000. Zundap, original paint for the BMW. And there's a Powell American mini bike. Check this out. This is our 1923 Matchless V-twin, made in England. Hand shifter, rear suspension, front suspension. 1923, rather advanced, I think. This is a nice running bike, and I think we had this out about a week ago, just putting around the neighborhood. R60 US, 1968, 8,000 miles. We just sold it. So these are bikes that are in for service. Harley Heritage, BMW conversion. That's actually my bike that I built like 30 years ago, and I recently bought it back from the guy I sold it to. Zero electric bike. We are a Zero dealer, so we have the most low-tech and the most high-tech. Beautiful Slash 5 that just went on the market this week. Here is a Moto Guzzi Alce 1943, World War II Italian Army. Got the carbine rifle, and beautiful little 500cc thumper. It has the front and rear handlebars, so the passenger can sit back here, and he can't really drive from here, but he can hold on real good.
Backseat drive.
Yeah, that thing's way cool. K1200R in for service. R26 that we are prepping for sale, and a R50/2 that we are prepping for sale. These should be on the market probably next week. Come on in, we'll show you the workshop. Here, I don't know if you can see it so well, beautiful R69S. We just finished prepping it, and this will be listed hopefully this week on Cycle Trader and our website. Here's an R69S that we are doing I would say a minor restoration, going through the engine mechanically. Top end job. Wes is working on this one.
Hey Wes.
Morning. Yeah, come on over here. You see the 69S all torn apart. And what else do we have over here? Got another one on the rack /6. This one's interesting. This is right here. This is a 1996 R11R with 16 miles on it. And we're prepping that for a customer. And then Andrew's over there. Andrew is working on a little Jawa thumper. Also super low miles. Do you know the miles on that Jawa?
I think it's right under 1,000.
Under 1,000 miles, little Jawa 250. And that's going to be for sale too. So a little rusty, but she's a good runner. And patina sells these days, so there you go. We would like to thank you for visiting, and stay tuned. We'll take you around another day.